This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Today we are joined in the studio by Jimmy with O'Brien Service Company, Wilmington's local heating and air specialist since 1981. Always good to see you, Jimmy.
Good to see you, Megan. Thanks for having me.
Today we're going to talk about ways to improve home comfort this year.
Yes. Many times, Megan, we don't think about our heating and air system until it breaks down, or it's that hot summer day and we're just not feeling right. You don't think it's working properly. So first and foremost, preventive maintenance is number one on that list. And most manufacturers require that. If your system's still under warranty, you need to have a maintenance at least once a year.
And besides annual maintenance, how can homeowners improve their home comfort?
Well, as a homeowner, we could check our air filters monthly, check them, see if they need to be replaced. You could use ceiling fans when the rooms are occupied. You can also make sure your outdoor unit is clear from obstructions or debris to keep that airflow going through the outdoor unit. And in today's day and age, it's more about smart thermostats. Not only can that cut down on your energy costs, but it can also increase your comfort.
All great recommendations. Any other tips you want to give us?
Well, if your system is more than 10 years old and it's out of its warranties, it may be time for a replacement, or you may just want to upgrade your system. Today's equipment is more efficient and it could also increase your comfort level.
All great information. Thank you, Jimmy. What if people have additional questions?
Well, I encourage your viewers to visit our website, o'brienservice.com. There's a lot of valuable information on replacement and maintenance and accessories. And if you'd like, you can give us a call at 799-6611 and somebody will help you.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.